In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Squarespace domain. If you no longer want a domain connected to your Squarespace site, this process is fairly quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Squarespace account and that you're working on the right website, since domains are managed from the site settings area. To get started, look to the bottom left corner of your Squarespace dashboard and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your website, including business information, billing related options, and domain settings. If you're new to the platform, this section can feel a little crowded, so just take your time and focus on the website settings menu. Once you're inside settings, find and click Domains and Email. This section is where Squarespace groups together anything related to domain connections, registrations, and email services. If your site has more than one connected domain or email-related setup, this is the place where everything is organized. Next, click on Domains. This will open the area that shows the domains associated with your site. Here, you should be able to see the list of domains connected to or managed through Squarespace. Double-check the domain name before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple domains, because you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. After that, click the domain you own from the list. This opens that domain's individual settings page where you can manage connection details and other domain-specific options. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right domain, since the next action will remove its connection. Now, click Disconnect Domain. This is the main action that starts the cancellation or removal process. In many cases, platforms like Squarespace add a confirmation step here to prevent accidental changes, so don't be surprised if a pop-up or confirmation message appears. Finally, click Disconnect again to confirm your choice. This second confirmation completes the process and removes the domain connection. Once that's done, the domain will no longer be connected in the same way through your Squarespace setup. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to cancel a Squarespace domain connection. As a final tip, after disconnecting, it's a good idea to review your domain list again to make sure the change has been applied successfully. If you're managing live traffic or email through that domain, be sure you understand the impact before disconnecting it.